Hi, I'm Ashley from Barbecues Galore. Today we'll be talking about the Big Boy Pie Hoister. This extra sturdy pizza peel features 1 foot by 1 foot area of stainless steel, as well as a 12-inch wooden handle and a stainless steel loop that allows you to hook it onto your barbecue when you are not using it. So, because this is the Pie Hoister and it's used for heavy pies, we decided to put it to the test. We'll be using the Big Boy Shelf Saver, which is about the same weight as a thin crust pizza, and let's see how many you can hold. That is 15 shelf savers, essentially 15 thin crust pizzas. As you can see, the Pie Hoister can carry any pizza with any amount of toppings. For more information, check out barbecuesgalore.ca. Thanks for watching.